Ole Gunnar Solskjaer has demanded more from Alexis Sanchez after he failed to impress in Manchester United's defeat to Paris Saint-Germain. The Chilean replaced the injured Jesse Lingard but didn't make the most of the opportunity as his struggles continued. "I can't do anything about Alexis Sanchez," said Solskjaer afterwards. "When he plays he needs to find himself because we know there's a quality player there." Sanchez has made just a handful of starts since the Norwegian replaced Jose Mourinho in the hot seat and has been hampered by injuries. Meanwhile, Solskjaer admitted United were given a reality check as his unbeaten record as interim manager was ended in a 2-0 home reverse. He said, "We weren't at the level. This is a level up from what we have played against with the games we've had. We've had a great run. We came into this game in a great frame of mind, great form, but of course it was a big step up. They have quality from the keeper to the striker. There is a reason behind them being one of the favorites for the Champions League. That's the level we need to aim for at this club. Of course it's a reality check. The top four is one thing, but we want to be at the top and Manchester United should be at the top. This is a top team that we played against. Our players are disappointed after the game, of course, but I also think they know that we need to step up our level to get to the level that we want to get to."